So in solving for question E2 in the enrichment section, you want to always draw a diagram to get your visual cues. So this particular question told us that the person is 50 meters away from the building and the angle of elevation was 60 degrees. And just to be a little cheeky, this is a review of grade 10. And the question you have to ask yourself is it SOHCAHTOA? Which one would work? Well, clearly it has to be TOA, because tangent of the angle would be opposite, the H, over adjacent, which would be the 50 meters. So for your solution, you must use the tangent ratio, and you state what you're doing. It's very important to show your work. And I know you grade 11 guys, you like to just take shortcuts. So show what you're doing. Tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite, the H that you're looking for, over 50 meters. Cross multiply the 50 meters. I showed the little arrow. So you're showing that H is equal to 50 meters multiplied by the tangent of 60 degrees. You go back to your special triangles, and what is tan 60 degrees? It is root 3. So you then show that this is equal to 50 meters times root 3, and the answer in radical form is that the height is 50 root 3 meters. And there is your solution. Ta-da!